What to wear when you don't know what to wear? Now, this is the question for today. Coucou, my name is Anastasiia, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna be doing a what to wear when you don't know what to wear styling session. I will try my best not to ramble. All the links will be in the description below, and let's dig right into it. Okay, the first thing that comes to my mind is very much so obvious, and that would be denim. Be that skirt, jeans, dresses, choose your cup of tea. For me, it's a good pair of jeans, and right now my absolute favorite ones are these babies that I've got from SOS in size extra small. They're very much so straight leg, but not too baggy, not like this one that I have from Zara. Love the way they look with the heels, and that is what I have in mind. In terms of what to pair a pair of jeans with, I would say right about anything and everything, but once again, my first thought would be a button-down short. As I have already said in one of my recent videos, I'm like a big sucker for a good white button-down. I honestly prefer them to white, let's say, t-shirt, oversized t-shirts, baby t-shirts like I'm wearing right now, although I do wear them a lot as well. But I find them much more universal in terms of styling and how many times you can style the same piece. Anyway, we'll put them on and continue the styling. As I said, I could have left, let's say, my Birkenstocks and make it into a more casual look, but I was really looking forward to wearing a pair of heels. And here I would probably do like either a simple kind of beige mule sandal, elongate your legs slightly, you know, nothing too major, or you can do a bit more of a statement, something a little bit more smart and classy, and go for a white pump. These ones are from Mango. I think we should do both. Let's start with the sandals. The sandals are from AliExpress. I'm not sure if I've mentioned it or not. It's very carefree, very easy, very simple, and hence why I'm gonna leave my button down like this, open, and pull it back. Shall we? We'll just do a little matching to the shoe beige pouch style bag. I got this one from Mango as well. And this will be our first what to wear when you don't know what to wear outfit. But as I said, I also want to do a smarter version with the heels. Definitely much more business, office appropriate, and also for the sake of doing like slightly different styling and, you know, not boring you to death just by changing shoes and calling it a different look. I'm gonna tuck this short into the jeans. Now, honestly, you can just, let's say, grab a matching white bag, and that would be it. Like, that's a legit good look. Or what I was thinking, as I already said, I'm seeing this outfit as a little bit more of office appropriate. I would go for this Charles and Kate bag, and also to kind of tie it up a little bit more together with the look, I would do a black belt. The belt is vintage, and yes, I still haven't got a new one, I'm sorry. You see what I'm talking about? Very smart, very office appropriate little outfit. After this one, we're definitely moving on to the other pieces, because otherwise this whole video will turn into one base and number of styles. Anyway, speaking of different items, second thing that momentarily comes to my mind when it comes to summer outfits are, say it with me, 3, 2, 1, white dresses. Of course, white dresses. You can go for a maxi one, a midi one, mini one. I will personally be doing a maxi one today because I'm currently sporting a very nasty bruise on my knee. You do not necessarily need to see it, but I will leave the link to this cute baby doll one that I got from AliExpress in the description below as well. We are gonna be doing this maxi, very loose, very zero style dress, and I got it from Amazon. If I'm late, a dress will always be my go-to option because it's basically like a ready-made outfit. You don't need to match and pair anything. for the styling, we're gonna do another absolute summer no-brainer, which will be a combination of brown accessories and a basket bag. Honestly, it goes with anything. With dresses, with denim, with linen stuff. As I was saying, brown accessories, basket bag. This basket bag I got from Mango and it's giving me major layer bags. And that would be the outfit number 3. For the next look, we are going to be doing 0, which is basically if you are into the neutral styling, minimalist fashion, blah blah blah, all this jazz, go to the Vogue runway collections, open the Row lookbook, anyone that you like, and make some styling and item combination ideas out from there because man, they're good, and that is actually a great life hack. That's what we are doing today, starting with a pair of white trousers. I got this one from AliExpress and they are great. I feel like it's a mix of poplin and cotton, so they kind of have their shape very nicely and they're also not very see-through. As far as the top, I'm thinking about just doing, you know, your basic black ribbed racer top that I have from H&M. Now, as far as the shoe goes, we're obviously doing the Rose, so Thong sandals. Of course, Thong sandals. Mine are from Mango. And to finish the look, I would do a basic tote bag. This one is from Zarina. You can add some extra details, like let's say layer a white button down, maybe add a belt, sunglasses, whatever you prefer. But as for the base and for the outfit itself, when you cannot make yourself carrying enough to put more effort but still kind of want to put together, I think this is the way. I feel like so far we have been majorly doing like daytime outfits, so let's put something more nighttime appropriate. And when thinking nighttime appropriate, my mind instantly goes to tweed jackets or corduroy jackets, whatever you're calling them. This one is my absolute favorite. I got it from Urban Revival, and you can pair it with, I don't know, a slip skirt, tailored trousers, jeans, wear it on top of a dress, honestly whatever. But since we're doing don't know what to wear video, we're going for the easiest option, and that would be a pair of jeans. I'm thinking about doing this small one that I've got from Zara. I feel like either loafers, slingbacks. Let's do a Ballet flat. Mine are from the brand called Echo, and I have been having them for like an absolute eternity. And for the back, you can do something a little bit more fun, like color, maybe green or blue one, picture bag or something. You can also do just a contrasted white bag, but who am I kidding? If I do not have any time and I need to go like straight out of the door, I would do this. This box bag I got from TG Collection years ago. Ever since, it has been working overtime for me. Another thing my mind immediately goes to when thinking about nighttime, day to night kind of events is obviously a satin dress. My length of preference is Midi. Choose whatever fits your figure and satisfies your style more. We're going to be doing this black one that I've got from AliExpress. You can leave a dress as it is alone, just add a pair of heels and be done with, or you can also wear a nice little blazer on top. It can obviously be black, or as I'm doing, adding a little bit of a different color with this khaki brown one that I've got from the men's section of Mango. If I wanted it to be a little bit more, casual, I would go for a pair of Thong sandals. However, I wanted to be a little bit more, as I said, day to night, maybe even date night kind of appropriate, so I'm gonna go for a little heeled mule. I have no idea where I got them from. Once in a blue moon, I wanted to do an interesting bag, and when it comes to my interesting bags, I would far more usually go for an interesting texture rather than interesting colors. So I absolutely adore this baby that I got from Zarina. It's obviously a Bottega dupe, but I love it for the summer as, you know, something a little different to add to your nighttime outfit. For the last look, I feel like I absolutely have to include a white oversized t-shirt because, you know, how can I not? You can do it with jeans, you can do it with skirt, you can do it with dress even, you can do it with trousers. We are going to be doing a midi skirt today. Could be sleeve skirt, could be different color. The one I'm going for is a pencil skirt. I got it from the chic event store on AliExpress. And like from here you can do so many different stuff. You can do sneakers, you can do ballet flats, you can do Birkenstocks, but my favorite thing to do with this kind of base is to go preppy. So we are going to be doing loafers with socks. And I know it's not like everyone's cup of tea, so if you do not like or do not understand the whole concept of loafer with the socks, you know, don't do it. Skip this point. And the loafers I'm using for it are from AliExpress. I feel like it always adds a little bit of an interesting detail to the look. And I also like how it creates this continuation of white from top to bottom. Speaking of white and continuation, I obviously do black, but I thought I want to do a bit of a Prada style, so I will do this Zarina bag that reminds me a lot of Prada Clio, and this would be the final outfit. As I said, that was the final look. In the next one, so bye!